because I think this was made by an incorporation. I believe it's in Minnesota. It might be something else. But we'll see here in a minute. It is currently on 2 going off. Alright, he's coming down. Oh, those doors. They're a little damaged. And there's one right down there too that we will get. And I just need one last one. One last one after those 2, and that's it. Okay? That is just plenty of time. 2 more after this one, and that's it. And there are some at a Macy's and in a Nordstrom, but since that is at a store, here it is. But I don't take pictures in stores. All right, Dad. Let's go. Oh. I'm not sure which one. I think this one was actually modernized, but oh yeah, this is a nice elevator. And I had first, jeez, that's loud. I had first been on this one when it had just got done being installed, and that is the same for the other one, which is a Minnisota elevator. It is right down there. Oh, watch this close. Go. There it goes. Alright, y'all, that's it. Here. And it's here. This is a Minnesota elevator. This one is gigantic. Just look at this, 10,000 pounds. This could easily be a freight elevator. This thing is huge. Yeah, this is a Minnesota elevator. This is very fast for a hydraulic. It has that floor indicator again. Oh. Sorry about that, sir. Okay.